in the small village of Lacey, Somerset County, Pennsylvania, was ranked number 3 in the state of Pennsylvania. That's why Lucas likes coming here.